Every day, factories turn raw ocean harvests into millions of sushi meals, cold, precise, and nearly identical. That tight seal isn't just packaging, it's shelf-life engineering. The goal is restaurant-level texture, without a chef's hands shaping each piece. Uniform cuts mean every bite weighs the same, and every box prices the same.
These meals are built to survive handling, without looking handled.
Some sushi is chilled for today, some is frozen for weeks. Both start on the same lines. Sushi began as preservation. Now it's precision, still chasing the same idea, freshness held in place. To make millions, the factory has to treat every grain, slice, and seal as a measured event. So what happens between a perfect bite and a factory that never stops? Short grain rice starts in engineered agriculture, water managed, timed, and harvested for consistency.
Milling removes layers, standardizes size, and decides how the rice will absorb water later.
From field to factory, it moves as bulk, sealed, stacked, and tracked. Much of today's salmon is farmed, steady supply for steady production. For tuna, minutes matter. Temperature control begins at sea.
Aquaculture shrimp arrives already graded, built for high-volume assembly.
Nori is farmed, dried, and pressed into sheets that behave like an engineered material. Crisp vegetables depend on the same rule as fish: stay cold, stay clean. Refrigerated containers keep ingredients stable across oceans, borders, and days.
At the factory door, every pallet enters a controlled system.
If temperatures drift, the line doesn't adjust, it rejects.
Before any rice cooked, the factory cleans the humans.
Receiving is a traffic system. Where ingredients go now determines what they become later. Inspectors look for uniform color and texture because machines expect uniform inputs.
Zoned storage prevents cross-contamination and stabilizes production timing.
Washing removes surface starch so the cooked rice stays glossy, not gummy. Clean water isn't assumed, it's maintained.
Cooking is controlled hydration. Too much and rolls collapse. Too little and rice won't bind. From cooker to mixer, the rice can't cool too fast, or it turns hard before seasoning.
Seasoning is a measured solution: vinegar, sugar, and salt tuned to pH and taste.
Factories fold the rice to protect the grain. Broken rice leaks starch and ruins shine.
Cooling brings rice into the safety zone fast before assembly begins.
Thawing is staged. Too warm risks bacteria. Too cold shatters slices. Trimming creates uniform blocks, the shape slicers need for repeatable cuts.
One missed bone ruins trust, so this check stays brutally meticulous.
Servo slicers cut by distance, not by guess. Millimeters define mouthfeel.
Weight control protects margins and keeps nutrition consistent from box to box. If shrimp are cooked here, they're chilled immediately to stop the cook and lock texture. Even imitation crab gets engineered.
Uniform pieces keep rolls tight and centered.
Vegetables get washed and sanitized because raw ingredients meet ready-to-eat rules.
Avocados are processed fast. Oxidation is the enemy of that clean green. Uniform vegetable cuts keep rolls from bulging and help machines roll without tearing nori.
Conditioned nori stays flexible. Too dry and it fractures. Too wet and it goes leathery. Standardized nori dimensions keep the roll diameter identical across the entire run. Nigiri starts with portioned rice, firm enough to lift, soft enough to bite clean. Placement has to look handmade while moving at factory speed. Tiny defects show up through clear packaging, so the line cleans as it goes. For maki, rice thickness is everything. Too thick wastes product, too thin tears. Fillings are laid on a center line, so every slice shows the same cross-section. Pressure is tuned, enough to bind rice, not enough to crush grains into paste. Feel and learn control replaces intuition. Cutting is synchronized to belt speed, so each piece lands square. Line removes defects instantly, because one bad piece ruins the entire pack's impression.
Assortment packs are choreographed. Layout is designed for the first glance through clear film.
Condiments are portioned like ingredients, measured, repeatable, and sealed.
Checkweigh confirms portion. Vision systems spot missing pieces and stray grains.
Metal detection protects safety. Gas flush slows spoilage. Heat seals lock it all in. Then every pack is coded for traceability.
Fresh packs move straight to chilled staging. Minutes are budgeted like money.
Frozen sushi is locked down fast. Ice crystals are kept small to protect texture. Quality control samples the line, seal strength, hygiene, and critical parameters that keep ready-to-eat food safe. Dispatch is the last control point. After this, the cold chain has to hold until the customer opens the seal. Behind one quiet box is an entire system, built to make freshness repeatable.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.